We will next explain how to clean the turbocharger. Hard carbon accumulates on the turbine housing shroud and turbine wheel. Imperfect cleaning upsets the balance of the rotor shaft, so be sure to remove all of the carbon. Use the powerful Curry Pearl YF2 cleaning agent for the turbocharger. Curry Pearl consists of two agents, A and B. Read the instructions printed on the package before using the Curry Pearl. Put water into the containers and prepare 20% solutions of agents A and B. Stir them well. Apply grease to the bearing and seal ring in advance to prevent rusting. Heat the cleaning solution to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and submerge the exhaust casing, rotor shaft, and heat insulator in it. Submerge the parts for more than 4 hours. After removing the parts from the cleaning solution, wash them with water and rub them lightly with a nylon brush or similar tool to remove any residue. Wash the compressor impeller, compressor casing, and bearing housing with cleaning oil. Contamination of the seal ring in particular can cause oil leakage or bearing damage. Be very careful not to damage this part when cleaning. After cleaning, check the cleaned items carefully. Measure the width of the seal ring groove on the turbine rotor shaft with the slide calipers. The illustration on the left shows a rotor shaft that can still be used. The worn part shown on the right has reduced sealing performance. In such a case, we recommend replacement of the rotor shaft. Enter the measured results on the record sheet. Check by hand that the shaft end nut can be screwed lightly onto the bottom threads. Check that some coating remains in the gas passage.